Generative AI can write, draw, and code. But ask it to plan, act, or learn from its mistakes, and it breaks. It's smart, but not agentic. Generative AI only reacts when you prompt it. It doesn't plan ahead, can't use tools, and never checks if its output really works. It's like a brilliant student who writes one perfect answer, but never tests it in the real world. Agentic AI changes that. It doesn't just generate, it acts. Take Cursor, the AI coding agent. You don't tell it what code to write, you tell it your goal. First, it plans which files to edit. Then it thinks through dependencies. It builds, testing its work automatically. And finally, it reflects. If something fails, it tries again. Agentic AI is showing up everywhere, in research, productivity, and creativity. Systems that don't just answer, they reason, act, and learn. AutoGPT, it enables the creation, deployment, and management of continuous agents that work tirelessly on your behalf for businesses and individuals. Devin, from implementing new features to fixing thousands of lint errors, Devin can clear your backlog, modernize your code base, and help you build more. Generative AI changed how we create. Agentic AI will change how we act. But as our machines start deciding for themselves, how much freedom should we give them?